Realize this because it's in Asian, it's 00. Vanhu vatomo mubhokisi. Lincoln atomo, Tasha atomo mubhokisi. Hey! Magaya creation are comment section. That Magaya creation are comment section. Eh, 16. Hey guys, how are you guys? How are you guys? How are you? Are you ready for today, guys? Are you ready? How are you guys? Tichiri Washoma, we are still trending. Okay, guys, how are you guys? Charity Magorimbo Gogo, how are you? Morise say Gogo Magorimbo. Jiri say Nox blah blah, how are you? How are you, Nox? How are you? Wimbaina Shitsigo. Urise. Irina Muchengwa, how are you, Irina? How are you? Timosa, hanzi achange ari makuwerere. Chokwadi makuwerere. Koti zviriko nhasi wakomana zvakaomarara, guys, zvakaomarara. Ndikukumbira kuti all the participants dzibve mucomment section dzishandise link yadzapuwa kuenda kuseri. Handiti guys, hanzi achange ari makuwerere. Wiuma mabika, Shemarians murisei, we are all okay. Tiribo. Guys, are you ready? Are you ready for the red carpet, guys? Are you ready? Faithe Muponda, waiting. Hello, Shemarians. She was waiting. Guys, tavepo. All those people vanga vakamirira, guys. We are here. We are live on Shema TV. Guys. Joyce Mapeya Masquera said, guys, waiting. Vanhu vanga vakamirira chokwadi. Vanga vakamirira. Agnes Mulilo akati waiting. Tadiwa Nashe for his happy family. How are you, Tadiwa? Are you ready for the red carpet? Magaya Shinga creation. My sisters, how are you? Magaya? We are okay. Juice Links, Lincoln, how are you? Urise, Mamoyo. Taita munotamba ere sisi. Isu tinobatamba chai tinodakara. Ndazviona kuti manga makamirira. Zvikaina mukoma bhudhi admire Shemarians murisei. Tinotamba bhudhi bamukuru admire. Tinofara yaambo, tinofara murisei imimi. Kurisei ku Australia, kurisei. Makoments achakumhanya. Hey. Ngasamanye kudaroka. Sandambopedza kumhoresa vanhu. Hafaniri kumhanya zvekudaro, haamhanyi zvekudaro. Okay. Zvikanzi naChinaka Tracy. Hi Shema. How are you, Chinaka? How are you? Nash. Hello, Budi Nash. Murisei. Vari kukwazisa ivo mukoma admire. Sister Rubatiro, how are you? Greetings to you all, Shemarians. How are you? All the way from UK, Wachikumoresa, Imima Shemarians. Barukuti, how are you? How are you? Anzina Antonita Mutandwa. Waskera saying Yasha. Ndiri moyo. Anchazivi kuti mukuru ndeupisisika namuningina. But anyway, ndinongoti taita munotamba here ana mamoyo takawanda takabata comment section sure. Takabata comment section. Vanhu vari kungoti yesi nyasha yesi. Guys, ndiri born ndinofara chaizvo ndinofara. Ndikanzi nabhodhi matso tisvikewo pano. Asvika henyu guma henyu tiripo. Ndikumirira participants angu kuti apinde mbokisi guys. Kuseruku hakuna kumira mushi. Ndikungoona vanhu vari kungobwinya bwinya. Vanhu vari kungomira vari kuratidzira zvishandwa. Sharon, you have to see this one. Yes. Winnie Munembo akati, hey. Hanzi murisei Shemarians. Esi Tanaka akati, haibo. Tanaka, what are you doing in the comment section now? What happened? What happened now? What are you doing in the comment section, Tanaka? You're not supposed to be there. Use the link that you have. Participants. I was good my participants. Setaenda pamberi pano. Antanga ambopuwa chikafu ne. Kuti asa collapse antunoziya. Kama ka confidence kai kavanopuwa ne. Tumwe tuma advice. Tone twanenge wachipuwa tuma last minute trea. Buda comment section ne. Lavinia akati zvirisei Shemarians. Hai susu tinofara. We are all fine. We are happy. Tonight tiri live Shema TV. Nasi ndiani? 30th August 2020 genga. 2020 guys, we are live on Shema TV. Sakamirira kuita mock red carpet akomanaka. Aiwa anenge ari makuwerere mabiri bobi wabata chake wabata icho hai. Tikanzi na Barbara Msakwa. Hello cuz Shema and the Shemarians. Tiribo guys, but Sharon is not feeling well though. Sharon askuzwa zvakanaka kufara yedu, but regani votora ndiri serious. Sharon askuzwa mushe guys. She's not aiwa. Ndofanira kuti ndioneka kana zoita happy kana mood yako ikange iri low. People vanokuziva vari wachitambisa wachijibilika ka. But wakaona mood yako iri low, vanofanira kuziva kuti you are not feeling well. Sharon is not feeling well guys, but anenge zvakaoma kudaro. Vavengi vachida vasingadi. She's going to participate. Hi guys, how do I look? Ngota nchizvifila. Zikanzi nakudzai ndeipi eskanikudzi urisei kudzi mandetsa. Baba Masawi murisei murie kwa Masawi. Murisei munofara ere. Kwaina mamoyo geto sunishero. Timosa hanzi ndiripo. How are you Sisi Eunice Maruto? Sisi Eunice, how are you? Tikana Sisi Eunice ndiripo. Anotamba Sisi Eunice. Aviro zvidairira. Tikanzi namwe geto sunishero Sisi shero. Makomenzi ari kuuya Timosa vakati geto soon. Erina Muchemwa akati geto soon. Mafadzwa Muchaonerwa akati geto soon Sharon. Shevlin Banda akati geto soon Shero. Chinaka Tracy akati what's wrong with her? Geto soon Shero. Natasha Makiwa akati murisei Shemarians. Zikanzi na Dorcas Lee geto soon Shero. Zikanzi hey. Ina ndikulume manje sister Ruba. Mukazonge magwisa hey maukuvadza rurimi rwangu. I cannot. Yeah. People are saying, Gero soon, Sharon. We love you, Ziganzina. Go, Goma Gorimbo. Gero soon, Shema. Gero soon, Gero soon, Gero soon, Gero soon. Ziganzina Stella Angela Matongo. Gero soonest, dearest. Parikunzi upore nekukasika mwana wa mai. Tinokuda uchijabula panapa. Ziganzina Loveness Mapanzure. Gero soon, Shero. Ziganzina sister Eunice Hesinyasha. Kagunwe Kariseina. Tatomo mtimu zvekare tamo tamo isu vana dhigiya here atatomo mtimu tamo mtimu tamo kudhara sister Eunice taakutotamba nevamwe tatomo mutimu nechekare tamo mutimu sister Eunice ndinoti vachangobva mukusvika welcome tinokutambirai tichiti kufara guys vari kuseri kuchimbonyatse kundimirira handiti munonyatsondimirira mchana kozi ndoda kuti ndimirire kuti mune vamwe vandorati vauye mune kumbi kana paina nhamba dzakumbi ngaandifonererewo kumbi ngandibatirewo sister Magaya creation ndiri kuvadawo zvakare tanaka haasati ako. I'm still waiting for Shero. Saka vanhu vari kuseri, please be patient with me, just be patient with me. Be patient. I'm still waiting for this. Oh my God. Oh, imbotamba muri kokuseri kokoko ndiri kuona zvangu. Sister Magaya shandisai uyu yamapuwa anti mune link yamatumirwa. Hanzi anditi mune link yamapuwa na Shero yaya. Yoyo link yamapuwa na Shero yaya ka. Ingoitokonya imiende kuseri kokoko. Saita dadi baya ilingi yamapuwa. Pane link yamapuwa yaya ka. Baya yoyo. Arimo. Ziganzi arimo. Kumbi ndiyasimafonera kumbi. Baba Masaya akati Sharon Manswera, get well soon and be strong. She is strong. Kuba strong, very strong, okay? But you know, we share a quick recovery. Chiganzi naratizo bona. Get well soon, my favorite Shero. Guys, ndiri kuona mabiribobi muserum. Anhu vari kufara. Anhu vari kuchenere. Regai ndimboisa MC ambotiudza kuti nhasi tiri pano tiri kuda kuita ngezvei. Tinoda kuita ngezvei. Saka ndiraomboedha MC ka. Omboti turi, ombotaura. Ombodudza kuti nhasi kuri kuda kuitwa ngezvei. Anditi? MC, are you ready? Just wave your hand if you are ready. If you are ready, MC. Wave your hand. Okay, she is ready. Hey, our MC is here, guys. How are you feeling, Sasha? I heard you were not feeling well. How are you feeling?
I'm now okay. Now now.
Good news, yeah? Hanzi mboti wedzere volume ati squeeze. Warda mboti dance impichana. Hanzi Gero soon, our stress painkiller. Hey, oh she will be soon, guys. She will be well soon, guys. Anzi shero suchikaita muskero wazorwara nguwa. Guys sheroka. Andada basa nekusunga indasjaira. Atanga kuita atongotanga makuseni sister ini. He allergy papa ine sipo akavhura bhegi ranga rine sipo akadzibudisa musipo. So ane allergy munoziva ma strong sasa aya anenge ine sipo inonhuhwirira sterek kazhinji inonhuhwirira sterek ane allergy. So sinus yake yamuka yakaita, but she's okay. Hey, MC goes down. Tasha. Hey, are you ready? Makuda kuti mboti taure here kana kuti muri kuda kuti?
All right. Welcome, my Shemarians. Welcome. Tinokutambira isialamukela lonke linjani bakwethu sanmonani sister Rubatsiro likona yini tiripo naSpashema TV tine event yedu red carpet. Pa-red carpet apa tichaona ma-celebrities, tichaona ma-celebs vana nemari dzavo, guys. Ndo vana tiri kuzoona tizoona ma-celebrities lapha kuShema TV. Sile red carpet event yetu yanamhlanje i-red carpet, so zoona ma-celebrities abantu abanezimali zavo, vana nemari dzavo, guys. Ndo vatiri kuzoona vakasiyana. So
yako Bermuda. Okay. For you tango is up. Right now I'm still talking. I'm sorry my device was not muted because I was attending to Cheryl. I'm very sorry.
Okay, it's fine. Tukuzona ma celebrities edu. Okay. Tukuzona ma celebrities edu vana nemari dzavo. Ndechokubvunza mucomment section kuti mungange muchifunga kuti anenge ane mari yakati iye. Tikuzoona ma celebs vana nemari dzavo, vanhu vari popular ndo atachiona muzuva ranhasi. So namhlanje sila ma contestants ayi-7 iwo silawo namhlanje. Abantu esibabona namhlanje kuma-screen wethu. So lina abantu abaku-comment section yini ama-VIP yethu. You are our VIP guest nasi vanhu vari ku-comment section. Ndimi masarudzwa kuti mwe ku-VIP. Mungoziva kuti panoitwa red carpet kakungopindi vese, but imimi nhasi muripo muri kutiona. Nhasi ndimi ma-VIP guest edu. So like last time tatine ma outfits made out of paper, na nasi futhi tine ma outfits edu akagadzirwa nemapaper. So ma celebs edu akapfeka ma outfits akagadzirwa nemapaper. MC enyu nasi, she made a dress out of paper. So dress rangu is made out of a bean bag. Ne belt made of khaki paper and a plastic paper. Ne mabatana MCI and ma paper foot. So comment section mnenyu eri ma outfit mnawe comment section mnawe nasi tina judge very different. We have a surprise judge for you guys. Mchaona judge edu. Rufunga ndiani anenge ari judge muzuva ranhasi. Ndiani wamuri kufungidzira kuti angange ari judge muzuva ranhasi. komentai tione kuti ndiani anenge ari judge wamuri kufungira kuti ndiani anenge ari judge nhasi. Tiudzei tione mucomment section. Taurai kuti judge wedu anenge ari ani nhasi. Tozogwa kuti oturu neka surprise. Thank you Mamoyo. Thank you Koma Admire. Thank you. Timosa. Aya chakudzidzisai chindevele chakudzidzisai. Mamoyo vari kuti Lady G Chinaka Tracy vachiti Lady G. Omi Jamba akati Magaya Creations. Chinaka Tracy. Aya siyabonga mali pila. Erina Mchemwa. Nani nyalibona. Muri kuti ndiani? Juicy Links vakati ndi jaji rubatsire buru vakati Lady Gwagwa. Weni munembe vakati Lady G. Charity Magorimbo vakati Lady Gwagwa. Mafadzwa. Thank you. Levinia vakati Mambeva ndiye judge. Koma Admire vakati Lady G. Faith Mponda vakati ndi Lady Gwagwa. Mafadzwa vakati ndi Lady Gwagwa. Baba Benson Masawi vakati ndi Sister Rubatsiro Nagogo Magarimbo. Stella, thank you. Gloria Masia vakati ndi Lady G. Chevlin vakati ndi Mambera. Antonita vakati ndi Lady G. Aiwa vazhinji tikuona muri kuti ndi Lady G. Pamwe muri wrong pamwe muri correct. Muchaona sei muchaona. Nyasha. Hello Nyasha. Nox blah blah. Nasi tine event yedu red carpet saka muchaona celebs edu achiti modelera apa saka muri ku VIP section garai zvenyu koko madrinks ari kuuya zvinodyika shuye koko. Don't worry. Muchangosvika tisati tatanga zvedu muri right. Hamusati manonoka. Vanhu vakawanda varongoti Lady G. Pamwe havasi pamwe ndiyo handizivi. Aiwa, atirikuona Koma Chris achito ndi Lady G. Aiwa guys. Takamirira ma-contestants edu. Regedzai timbotamba naika. Timbotambai. Timbosumuka titambe mucomment section. Munozwa kuti havatividziri, vanongotamba vage, what. Aiwa. Nyasha, music. Tipewo music. Okay guys, it seems like music yedu vatamboigadzirisa kuseri uko. Saka chimbondiudzai kuti wamuri kufungira vama-contestants ndiani, ndevanani ma-contestants edu. Rita Mchemwa akupiwi. Hakuna backview yedress. Dress harisi backview. Dress harisi mungoona kufront chete. Chimbondiudzai kuti mumbofungirawo kuti ma-contestants atinawo ndivanani nhasi. Ndivanani vamungafungirewo kuti vangange vachiuya pa ndivanani. Comment section muriko here. Chimbotipa music nyasha. Music. Aiwa tiri kukuonai Joane masowe echishanu tiri kukuonai madzibaba. Aiwa regedzai vagadzirise masipiri, regedzai vagadzirise shuwa nene ndandogadzirawo kurudumira chaizvi but vari kumbogadzirisa. Regedzai tione kuti how far. Cousin. Oh, thank you, Mkoma admire, thank you. Murara zvakanaka, murara bhoma, ita basa muraya kuzotiona. Nyati 1489, murisei. Tinokugamuchirai kuevent yedu yered carpet. Faith Mponda, aiwa. Tikuwaona ma-contestants amadoma ya tikuwaona. Sister Eunice, makadiko mama. Murisei. Masi Chabs. Kurisei Masi Chabs. Ndeipi. Tinokutambirai kured carpet event yedu Masi Chabs. Aiwa. Idai pasito.
Siyajaiva he? Malaiv mazima. Zima malaiv. Hey, MC, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nekuzivisa kuti vanhu tatiri kuitei, tiri pano tiri kuitei handiti. Ndinoti thank you so much. So izvezvi nekuda kwakuti nguva yedu iri kuita ichimhanya ne. So right now ndakuda kuti ndite sei introduce judge kuvanhu ma-contestants achita sei achigadzirira handiti.
Okay.
And
cousin.
Okay. Thank you so much. And ndoda kuti seta edha vanhu ka ndoda kuti izvona vanhu vagare vakagadzirira all the contestants. Hatisi kuziva kuti ari kutanga ndeupi. So just be ready, you might be picked, right? Hapana ari kuziva kuti ari kutanga ndeupi. Saka ndoti guys, cheers. Let me introduce the judge so that I can put the judge on the screen.
Okay. Welcome our judge, guys.
Okay.
Welcome,
before. Okay, MC, I'm sorry. Before you introduce the judge, please, if anyone and a number Tanaka, can you please call her kuti auye kuseri? Because live ya 30 minutes ya tanga ndandaka mumirira akufana wanga ari kuseri.
Okay.
Yes. Correct. That's how I'm going to turn away. Mira lo que enchuna. Hey guys, Sans is on cousin Nyasha. Love your morality. Thank you so much, Masipi. Unoziya kuti life yatinorarama inoda kuzvinakidzawo kana ukasazvinakidza unoswera uchitema iwe. But anyway, zvikanzi naSimon Katsande tisvikewo maShemarians maswera sei. Okay, thank you. Over to you, MC. Kuti ndikwanise kuedza our judge.
Okay. Welcome our judge, guys. Asiyamukeleni ijudge wethu wanamhlanje. Drum rolls as we welcome Lady Gwagwa. Lady is in the house.
Lady Gwagwa. Our judge is in the house. Okay. Bye, judge na MC. Let me go. Nibono dress up ne. Mina you want to dress up ne.
Bye, Nyasha. Bye. See you later.
How are you?
Hi, Tasha. Hi.
Hello, Lady G. You're looking so wonderful.
So excited because I'm sitting on the hottest seat of the day.
Yes.
This is a hot seat. And as you can see, Tasha introduced her outfit. I want also to introduce my outfit today as a judge.
Yes.
Everything is made out of paper. But because on this t-shirt day, I was so busy at work, I decided to wear my t-shirt today. My Shema t-shirt.
Oh.
It's underneath. And then my beautiful frill I've put on top, which is matching with my other frill, which is on top. And this hat, because the judge is coming from the +44, to make my hat very glamorous. Because remember, this is red carpet, Hollywood style. Because most of the contestants are Hollywood contestants.
Yes.
So I just wanted it to be wow. So this is this striped bag is what we call it. You know those present bags we put presents for people. It's a present bag.
Yeah.
And this white thing is the paper towel we use in the kitchen. And this is the syphilin we use for flowers. You know the paper we use for flowers or wrapping baskets for parcels. This is the one I've just used here. So that is fluffy. So and I've used the tape. So that is my outfit. Everywhere else is just normal. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So the judge is ready. All your questions are here for our contestants. Each outfit a different question. Yeah. So I'm so excited today because the main character is Tasha, not me. I am in the hot seat. I love this hot seat. Thank you, Shemarians, for giving me this honor to be your judge. So as they will be coming as well, in the comment section, you are the final judges. Actually, I'll mix your results with my results. My results are normally based on the answers they give to the beauty, which is connected to brains. I've tried to be very lenient with the questions, to be very obvious, but because I cannot say what they will be because that's Tasha's business, it might be tough, but it's Tasha's business. But trust me, today's gonna be an epic day. Nasi kwakaipa, madwar kuita open, close, open, and close them again. Close, open, and close them again. Namhla kuyafiwa madod. kuyafiwa civil kuyafiwa get ready gadzirirai 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 nhasi kunofiwa nhasi red carpet kunofiwa. Thank you so much, Tasha. Over to you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Lady Gwagwa. Aiwa vanhu ndambotya kupredict kuti ndiani kwanenge ari judge wedu. Aiwa abantu abadisappointanga, abantu bangitshela ukuthi ayo Lady G. Comment section never disappoints.
Amen.
We thank you. As I said, comment section namhlanje nasi ndimi majaji edu naika alongside Lady G. Saka imi mochibatsirana na Lady G, you are our VIPs. Mochigara in these comfortable seats, muchifarira event yedu, muchinakidzwa muri pa event yedu. Aiwa Lady G is looking so beautiful, guys. Maono ere outfit. Aiwa wakazichenera Lady G, wakazichenera guys. Aiwa atipewo my love and my like to Lady D in the comment section. Yes, comment section. I want commenting outfit ya Lady Gwagwa. I want ati Charity Magorimbo warikuti Lady Gwagwa looking gorgeous, my sister. Immigrant mom tatenda kati Lady Gwagwa. Thank you, Sisi. Mafadzwa mchaonyerwa vakati wow Lady Gwagwa you look good. Next blah blah vakati wow. Chevlin vakati you look good Lady Gwagwa. Erina Mchemwa vakati you are looking fantastic. Kerit Magorimbo vakati welcome judge, welcome. Murukufarirwa mai wekani. Aiwa kani Winnie Munembe vakati wow looking good Lady G. Aiwa. Masifi akati nemhururu nemiridzo ipapo. Aiwa varikufara. Mamoyo akati aiwa Lady G makachena. Chinaka Tracy akati siyamukela uLady G wetu. Aiwa murikufarirwa. So now is
Tasha, they are talking to you on Nya.
Yeah, I see her. I see her there. Yes, Kazi.
Okay. I wanted to say, okay, you can start by adding. You can start by calling people now.
Okay. So today I've been honors to call my contestant randomly. Nas ndini ndikutanga nekukola ma contestant ed. So our contestant number one will be Soli Mashangu Kumbi. That's our contestant number one. Varikugadzirira here contestant wedu Soli Mashangu.
Wahambanati. Siyabona. Wahambanati. Siyabona Jesu. Siyabona ngonyama yesulu. Siyabona Jesu. Siyabona. Watsamaya lerona. Siyabona. Diriko amasadanye. Dijingo binda nakadai. Sadanye mbareshu. Sadanye jingo baba. Dijingo ti hallelujah. Hallelujah, Baba. Hallelujah. Amchinji kona kugama chingo chisadane baba. Amchinji kona hallelujah, hallelujah, baba.
Thank you, contestant wedding Soli Mahlangu. That's our celebrant of the day. Soli Mahlangu, Kumi Soli Mahlangu. Over to you, Judge.
Oh, that was amazing. Waimba Soli waimba. Yo ataya. Kuzoti kwaipa mchinjikwa uyo. Soli Mahlangu, Soli wavura show, open, close, open, show. Kwakaipa nasi kwakaipa. Well done. I've got a lovely question for you, Soli Mahlangu. Akakumbi. How old is Soli Mahlangu? I will be lenient if you go 2 above or 2 below. I will take it. How old is he?
Okay, I'm just gonna take a wild guess actually. You know, sometimes you love someone so much, but then you don't even check how old they are. I'm just thinking they are 45, 47. Yeah, those 2 figures. 45,
just
47.
Give one. Just give one. If you go 2 or 2 above or 2 minus, I'll take it. Just give one. You gave 2. Just give one.
47.
I'll give you correct answer because he is 49. Yeah. Yes. So if you have said 50 or 51 or 48, 47, but I was expecting you guys, because you chose your celebrity, I was thinking you would do a little bit of a reading about them, a little bit, because like age really, but knowing that you wouldn't think of it, I'll give you a mark for that one. Well tried. Thank you. Because at least he's in his upper 40s. You got it right. Thank you, Kumbi.
No tender, Mama. Thank you so much.
Tasha. Okay, as we are waiting for Tasha. Oh, that was amazing performance. Kubakuna Soli Mahlangu. I love that singer. Wagona. No one could have done it better. Wazama skuru chose Kumbi. Wamiririra. Representer. I think some of our contestants vari kupedzisa kuita prepare their performance yekutanga. We wait for them, and I think as well vari kutaura ku backstage Natasha. Yeah. Yeti ya Lady Gwagwa yahodona ino, asi zvisine hazvo Lady Gwagwa anogara vari ready sebhatiri. Zvese zvakangoringana. Ndichaidzosera zvangu. So thank you very much. Kumbi to the kumbest. Kumbi to the kumbest. Let me have a sip of water. Our Tasha is back. Our MC is back. MC Ndambensava entertainer. Ndomvandada ndikawisa heti. But I'll put it back when you are talking. Thank you.
Okay. Phone yangu yambodona, guys. I'm sorry for that. Thank you, Soli Mahlangu, watuvhurira a prayerful song. Thank you so much. So our next contestant will be Cardi V. Nyasha cousin vedu Cardi V. Ndiyari kupinda. Cardi V. Cardi V, ngatifarire Cardi V, guys. Tichifarirawo futi naSoli Mahlangu who gave us such a prayerful performance there. Thank you. Thank you, Solima Sang. Thank you. Cardi B, can you please unmute your device?
tiri kuiona red carpet.
Yeah, murikuiona ka.
Tiri kuiona.
Okay, Cardi B wedu achigadzirira. Yes. Look, you
Wow.
Cardi B, guys, Cardi B red carpet. You. Ayo, Cardi.
Wow.
My way. That's a hit. Look at that hit. My way. Hey. Ayo, Cardi, kwakuseri. Comment section. Please tell us. At least tell any pela.
For phone yonde ma-answer anozobigwa hapo. Phone.
Cardi B. At least tell in comment section. At least tell in. Hey. Team was with the red carpet pay. Yes, Cardi B. Over to you, Judge Cardi B. Where do please unmute your device, Cardi B.
Candy B. Manje akabata phone. Afani kutoibaya because of the answers. All right, that's okay. Guys, andidi kunyepa. Murikuona heti yakapekwa na Candy B. Exactly mukaigoogle pamafoni enyu. Pa outfit warova ndo heti chaiyo iri pa most featured ningi ya Candy B. Well done, Nyasha.
Thank you.
Wairova Candy B chaiye. Ende kabodi kacho karikuindana na Candy B. Anyway, question yako about Candy B ndeyekuti girls like you, is it a song? Is it a movie? Is it a TV show which Candy B features? Girl like you, girls like you, Bamba, girls like you, Danda. Is it a song? Is it the movie? Or is it a TV show which she features?
It's a song.
Woo! Well done, it's a song. Well done, Nyasha.
Thank you.
Thank you, contestant Cardi B, Nyasha Kazi, siyabonga. You are looking so good. Yes. Ayo, waita close and open the red carpet cover. Ayo, wagona umberere maoko. Yes, ndikuona ma comments. Ayo, warumoti lovely, Nyasha. Ayo, kwa Nyasha on point. Ayo, ndo Cardi B we show. Our next contestant, my Gaya Shinga Creations, is Lala Sauma, Princess. I wash. Takwita no we umambo jea bavana we umambo Lala Sauma. Lala Sauma. Gawapini. Princess, Queen, Your Royal Highness. Aiwa. Someday zvedu. Oh, music yaenda. Takamira Lala Sauma wedu. She's a princess from a royal family. So guys, ndinaituma questions for you mu comment section. Saka pama contestants ega pama celebs edu. tine mamwe contestants edu celebs ane zvinhu zvavo. Vauya.
No. Dzikisa volume.
Wow.
Wait, Supernatural mutai music yenyu. Supernatural is my music yenyu. Supernatural is my music yenyu,
Yeah,
please.
She's muted.
Play a music now. Toro wana copyrights. Supernatural, dokumbira mudzime music yenyu yamuri kuridza.
Oh, I think she's muted the device.
Supernatural, ndavadzime music yavo, please.
Vadropei kamwise omwe muchicommunicate na.
Okay, while we wait for Supernatural to say music.
Yeah? Supernatural, chimbodzime music yenyu yamuri kuridza. Ndipei thumbs up kana madzima music yenyu. Vaita. Saka chitangidzai. Musaridze music yenyu torwa nemacopyright.
Yes.
Okay, so it's out from here. Okay, tangidzai Supernatural. Mirai vatangidze guys, vatangidze futi. But I think I'm gonna song sleep fast.
Yes. Wow.
That is red carpet.
Wow. Supernatural. No, I know Lala Salma. Wow, she's looking so beautiful. We can. Yo. Look at that, guys. Look at that dress. Dress rakanaka. Aiwa umuhle usisi wethu liyambona yini. Aiwa kani wakanaka. Wow. She's looking fantastic. Wow. Over to you, Judge.
Wow, Supernatural. Our Lala Salma, Lady of Morocco. Beautiful. Zvakanaka izvi. Wow. Ungazoti binline here kana radai so. This is beautiful. Kokuzomecha kazvi purple and black is. Hey, it's pulling up. The colors are pulling up. Wagona Supernatural. Here comes your question. One mask yako guys. Here comes your question. Ivo princess Lala Salma. She is a princess because of her husband. What is the name of her husband?
King Muhammad V. King Muhammad V.
You missed on the number for the Muhammad. He is King Muhammad the 6th V1. There is a 1 in front of the V, but I'll credit it because you know that is King Mohammed and there is a V that's here 5. Then but there is a 1 King Mohammed the 6th. You know your husband. Well done. I'll credit you for that.
Thank you.
I'll credit you. Well done.
Thank you, Lady G. Thank you, contestant. You are looking so wonderful. Umuhle sisi wethu, umuhle your highness. Aiwa guys, comment section.
Sanitize always.
Yes, Carolina. Aiwa, she's prepared, guys. She's prepared. She's prepared for Carolina.
The matching shoes.
Wow, thank you. Aiwa guys, aiwa tisate jealous. Vakachena. Competition is tough, guys. Competition is tough. Thank you, our contestant. Siyabonga. Yes. Guys, our next contestant is Tanaka. Beyonce is in the house. Guys. Ndova kutevera. Beyonce, Tanaka, ndova kutevera. Yes, guys. Aiwa, as commentary pera. Yes, she's here. Usela Beyonce, guys. Beyonce, usela. Beyonce.
David.
Wow, guys.
Wow.
Beyonce. Woo. Hey. Wow.
Jesus.
How did I report it? Guys.
Jesus.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi, MC. Hi, MC. Hi, Lady Guagua. Shema TV, are you there? Hi, how are you?
Hello. Hello. Hey, you're looking so
I'm
beautiful.
tongue-tied.
Judge.
Thank
Over
you.
to you. Sandra.
Thank you.
Judge, ready?
Ha! Ndashawa zvekutaura ini Tanaka. You know ka red carpet yawaisayo yavhura ikavhara ikavhura pachishema TV. And then Beyonce tomuziva kane vhudzi rake raanoda zvisingaiti ende rabuda vhudzi rake raBeyonce. Ende sisi vanoda zvinhu ivavo. Mazuva ano vane basa raupfeka majumpsuit. Ende wabva wairova jumpsuit. Mazuva ano haabvi mumajumpsuit. Ndosaka vakadzi vese varikupfeka majumpsuit kavari kutevedzera Beyonce. Hey, material iyo. What material is that?
It's just a plastic. Real plastic.
Yeah. Aiwa, Beyonce wabuda. Asi tirega timboona kuti beauty yako Beyonce iri kuindirana nebrains here. Question yako Beyonce, what is your nationality?
Texas, United States.
And wabva wabaya indari sikatombotarisiri kuti unonobaya Texas. Ndaifunga kuti uchangobaya USA.
Texas.
Ndinokuwedzera kahafu maki kokunobaya Texas. Ndaifunga kuti uchangoti USA kana kuti America. You really went deeper kuti ari kustate yeTexas kuAmerica. Ngatichire maoko Texas, America yazviita. Texas. Thank you very much, Beyonce.
Thank you.
Thank you, contestant. Aiwa kanwedwe, aiwa tanaka bari. Saita close and open the aiwa kan. Beyonce, you mampi was say, guys. Mampi was say, Beyonce, guys. Aiwa kan plastic, all made out of plastic, guys. So our next contestant will be Happy Family. Happy Family chigadzirira. Aiwa ngati mfarire Happy Family kuya yo. Happy Family. Irupinda Happy Family.
Happy Family is coming in as Taylor Swift. Happy Family, we are waiting for you. Our Taylor Swift, we are waiting.
Yes, Taylor
MC isa next takamirira menoti Happy Family pamwa vabho freezer. Saka next vozoita.
Oh. Okay, our next contestant, Java Lincoln. We next contestant yet, guys. Next contestant is Java Lincoln. Wow, guys, that is my type. I want to watch it, guys. Wow, post Java, guys. Yes. I reckon paper, guys. That's paper. Over to you, Judge.
You know, when I was looking Kuna Lincoln, ndamba ndafunga Wakanda forever. Yeah, that is really nice. Java, I've got a question for you.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Besides singing, what else does Java do? If you can tell me what he does and elaborate a bit, I would appreciate. Besides singing.
Apart from singing, he's a songwriter.
Yeah, I mean, because singing and songwriter go hand in hand. Something different.
Okay, he used to drive a taxi.
Okay, I mean now, he is a singer and a what?
He is a singer and no, he's not an actor. No, he's only a singer.
What? I gave you an answer 2 minutes ago. I gave you a tip.
Yeah, he's also Imbongi.
Oh,
Lincoln. Healer.
Lincoln is an actor.
No.
Lincoln, you know this week. You know this week Black Panther passed away, isn't it? And they were showing my songs. S Java. African lyrics zakaitwa na S Java on Wakanda Forever.
Yes, but he never.
He is also an actor. I really researched. But anyway, he's also a songwriter, as you stated, and he is also in the African neighbor list section. So I'll give you an answer. But the one I wanted, because it was so common, because what is happening now of Black Panther, I thought we'd pick on that quickly. But I'll give you a mark. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Judge.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, contestant. Where this Java as Java way too. Guys. I watch at commentate. Hey, tichitambira vari kupinda tichigadzirira kuona Shero Lady Gaga. Guys, Lady Gaga vari kupindira manje. Oh, it seems like Happy Family tell us
Mira Happy Family apinde Tanaka. I think I'm ready. Tasha.
Okay.
Mira we
Happy Family. Okay, Happy Family tell us which way guys. They are kupinda. Happy Family and they nayo manje guys. Tell us which. Shema.
Yeah.
Okay. She's here. Taylor Swift is here. Yes, guys. Look at that outfit. Pepper, guys. That's Taylor Swift, walk for us. You want to see your outfit? You want to see your outfit? Walk for us on that red carpet. Chivofamba tione Taylor Swift. Okay, thank you, Taylor Swift.
Akamuta. Okay. Akamuta one.
Okay, now she's walking. Yes, that's it. Made out of paper, guys. Wow. Taylor Swift. Morning, guys. I can. Comment section. Taylor Swift. Wow. She's looking good, guys. I can. Siyabonga contestant. It's not saying the contestant Taylor Swift. Over to you, Judge.
Hello, Happy Family.
Hello.
Oh, you are looking amazing, our Taylor Swift. And wamugona sterek. Andina zungu zvake zvinongori funny vachita competition yake na Lady Gaga. So that is very beautiful. Your outfit is unique. Your red carpet is unique. But we want beauty which is together with brains. I've got a question for you for that outfit. Taylor Swift. Does Taylor Swift have a child? Taylor Swift ane vana here kana mwana?
Taylor Swift doesn't have children or a child.
Fungisisa futi kana uchizwa zvaTaylor Swift ndozvaunotanga kutaura nezvazvo. Taylor Swift ane mwana here kana vana? Funga futi.
Taylor Swift doesn't have a child or children.
Okay. Taylor Swift ane godson waanoti mwana wake anonzi Leo. Each time paanobuda akabatwa naLeo ane godson inonzi Leo. Kuvarungu havazviverengi kuti godson kana kuti ndiani, vanototi mwana wake. Saka next time ukaverenga zvemagodson kana mwana akaadoptwa, kuvarungu vanongoti ndewake. Saka Taylor Swift ane mwana anonzi Leo, but haana kubva mudumbu make asi ndewake. Is that okay, happy family?
Yes, it's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Taylor Swift. Magona, Taylor Swift. Magona. Thank you so much. You're looking so good. Wow. Aiwa, maiwe kan. Even the bond, Taylor Swift. Aiwa, you're looking so good. Aiwa, wakasichenera, guys. My love, never likes it. Comment section, gasaita jealous. Gati comment kana munhu akasichenera, guys. Aiwa, wakachena. Happy family. Next contestant wedu Lady Gaga, guys. Don't mistake me with that Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga, Cheryl. Wow, Lady Gaga, guys. Amungowaziva Lady Gaga. Wow. Hey. Aiwa. Akurukofiwa, guys. Hey. Ow. Lady Gaga, looking beautiful, looking wonderful as always. Lady Gaga never disappoints. Lady Gaga never disappoints. Thank you. Wow. Aiwa, over to you, Judge.
Lady Gaga maita kuvhura nokuvhara mikova. Tatofunga kuti munogona kuya makapfeka nyama chaiyo. Because Lady Gaga akamboita mashura, akambopfeka nyama pastage, akambopfeka mashizha, akambopfeka chi. Lady Gaga can go gagarious. Asi watraya kurova gagarious ya Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga ano performance. Akasato performance hazvinakidzi. Akatonzi anoimba teitarisira kuti nhasi akapfekei. Wagona Lady Gaga. Ngatipe a hand of applause to Lady Gaga. And your carpet is so unique as Lady Gaga. But as usual, when we are on the red carpet, kwenye koko ku Hollywood uko Lady Gaga. Total beauty with the brains. We've got a question for you, Semuna anonzi Lady Gaga. So, ndaona kuti it's a bit tough handisi kuti mama averenga here. So ndazoita a little bit of my multiple choice. Lady Gaga has 2 of her own what? A, fragrances. B, lipsticks. C, fashion lines. Lady Gaga has 2 of her own A, fragrances. B, lipsticks. C, fashion line.
Lipstick.
Hello, taurisaiti we Lady Gaga.
Lipstick.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, Lady Gaga. Munhu ari popular udaro hamuzivi kuti munozikamwigwa maperfume enyu maviri. Answer yange iri perfume or fragrances. Inonzi Fame neinonzi UD Gaga. Fame Lady Gaga na UD Gaga. Maperfume anetsa mumarket umu. Ndafunga kuti kuda ndikaisa multiple choice ndingakutipai. Tina urombo yedu haisi lipstick. Hatori na line of lipstick actually. Thank you.
Thank you, Lady Gaga. Ayo, Lady Gaga pamwe release. Pamwe ite prediction yekuti vari kuuya nayo lipstick manje.
Maybe iri kuuya manje.
Tinotenda Lady Gaga. Aiwa, tinotenda. Thank you, siyabonga. Lady Gaga, our judge. Tatambo paka comment section wokuti as the VIPs, they can help you with the judging. I'm reading the comments. Taylor Swift, Taylor Swift deserve a point since uya mwana wa Mareva asiri like a child, asiri best child wa Taylor Swift. Saka Taylor Swift
point here kana half because kuno kuma European countries kana ndichingova nemwana akadaro anonzi mwana wangu. Ndosaka akatonyogwa kauti Leo. Saka tomupa half here kana point. Ndinongoenda according to what they want.
Okay, comment section atitaure kuti todi topa half point here
kana point because panapa teitodzidza kuti next time tizive kuti chereni ndisina mwana akabuda mudumbu mangu, mwana wandakaadopta kana godson kana god ndichimuti ndewangu sezvaanoita zviya paakazvagwa paakatravhela paakadii mukunyika dzino vanomuverenga. Tikutodzidzisana kuitira next time, but for today vada kuti ndimupe chinyi. Nyora henyu.
Okay.
Full point. Anything goes.
Okay, panati half, mwakati 1, mwakati point, mwakati half, point, mwakati half, mwakati full point, mwakati half.
Okay, for today, ngatichimuregerera, but tatodzidza handiti.
Mwakati full.
Saka regai tingompa hedu. Toenda pakati nepakati here kana toita sei tashi.
Aiwa, ina ndisi judge. Imimi nevanhu vari kuona
comments have got one phone. Dai ndaverenga kuti mahafu mangani, ma1 mangani. Dai ndatora public opinion.
Okay, so I'll say it. I'll read the comments as I go. Moona kuti vari kuwanda kuti ndevapi. So pane ati half, mwakati 1 point, mwakati 1 point, mwakati half, 1 point, half, 1 point, half, full point, half, full point. Pana mwatoto 3/4. Omwakati full point, omwakati point. Okay, pane vamwe vati kuno ku-USA, she cannot claim him when filing taxes as a dependent. So 1 point. ameno kuti muri kuyiwa here point yemunhu yapupurai.
Aiwa, ini ndoverenga manhinga wangu vataura ndanichisa matalis apera here ndakuverenga mahafu aita.
Wait. Wamwe wati full half, umwe wati full half, umwe akati full point half, full point half, point, umwe akati full point, umwe akati handizivi vati mwana kuti vavashira kuti vauda half here kana kuti full point. Umwe akati full point, umwe akati full point half, full point. Moto vakutodaidzira kuti chimupai 2. Okay, full point. Umwe akati full point.
Okay, according to what is happening. Tasha, that's okay. According to matali zvazokuti 1 2 3 4 5 wochekaka zvazvetali.
Yes.
Vari ku full point they are more.
Oh, okay. So full point.
Takupa full point according to matali ema comments awaverenga. Saka thank you comment section. That's okay. But sevanhu vari kurarama munyika tinofana kudzidza zvinhu zvose izvi kuti zvakamira sei. Saka I have amended kuno question yake yati no. Ini ndakunyora kuti brackets comment section supported her.
Yes, thank you Lady Gwagwa.
Thank you very much comment section. Ndo zvinoita kuti zvinakidze ku something which is challenging. Ndakatoisa on purpose. Ndichida kuti vanhu tidzidze.
Yes, thank you. So our next contestant for the next round is Cardi B. Cousin Nyasha Cardi B. Ndiyari kutevera guys. Aiwati mireka vanhu vachita close and open the doors. Comment section siyabonga ngokusiphathisa ukuthi sibone ukuthi kuthela sizobika yini. Okay. Yes.
Can you start with the Kumbi again?
Okay. Kumbi Solimahlangu. Sezosithathela umthandazo asazi. Simelele Kumbi Solimahlangu. Okay, pane vandaona kuti vachangobva mukusvika tichimire Solimahlangu. Ndimbotaura kuti vasvika late tine red carpet event yedu, so we'll see the celebrities ndo vachange vachiuya apa. Lady Gwagwa over there is the judge and I Tasha is the MC. Ndo zvazviri, and then you at the comment section you are the VIPs, our VIPs of today. So ndimi munenge muchitibatsirawo in the judging, just like my challenges, just like we had previous papa patumba kuti maona kuti tatobatsirikana ne comment section. Siyabonga. So abaqeda kusibamba manje, abaqeda kujoina, siyabonga. I-event yanamhlanje i-red carpet. So kuyabe kulama celebrities amaningi.
Tasha.
Hello.
Tasha. What about avachipeka kuti vambotipa numbers around 1?
Okay, yeah, comment section. Tombro mutiudze kuti aita number 1 per round ndiani wamaona kuti aiwa uyu kawe aita open close and aiwa open and shut and zvose
number 1.
Nyora guys, nyora.
Saka istozoverengawo ameno munhu ari mucomment section anokwanisa kundiverengera achimanya ndiani, because ini nanhaimwe foni yekuti ndione who is in.
No,
vamasawi varimo. Nox blah blah anozvikwanisa. Chimbocheka with Nox blah blah kuti can she do it?
Okay, saka vafanga kudiya
kuverenga kakuti vati Kumbi vangani, vati Nyingi vangani, kauti kuona kuti who is first.
Okay, saka mati Nox blah blah, Sisi Nox.
If she can do it, or anyone to volunteer to do the counting for us, I think it's easier that way. Any volunteer, please.
Volunteer. Mozongotiudza chero mukakaunda makawanda, it doesn't matter, it's fine. Munongozotiudza kuti
asi umwe volunteer wanozoti atozopina zita rake for the overall. Who volunteers?
Okay, I'll tell you when people volunteer.
Okay.
Indiana volunteer. Chero 5 chero vanhu 6 zviri right futi. Vachazotiudza kuti how far. Okay. So sitting ama-volunteers ku-comment section abantu abazocounta amavote okwamanje ukuthi kumbe siyenze kanje ukuthi i-first round kube nomuntu ozocounta and then i-second round kube lo muntu ozocounta. Kunjani comment section? Tokumbura rubatiro rwenyu kuti is it fine if we do comment round 1 vanhu and then ocounta umwe munhu and then round 2 ocounta someone or 2 people is fine. Guys, vada munhu ari kucounta mavotes aya, vada munhu ari kucounta mavotes adazoverengwa kapekupedzisira. Okay. Soli mahlangu sikumelele soli mahlangu. Tichimira soli mahlangu Magaya Shinga Creations Lala Sauma Royal Highness muchigadzirawo futi. Royal Highness kana vava ready tombro vapinde Royal Highness takamira kumbi. Your Royal Highness
comment section iri kuvote here kuti awina first round ndiani?
Yes,
kana zvanetsa toita zvematali system zvatamboita.
Muzvimwenyenge ndovakutitira sisi vanchaga ndovakuita. Thank you for volunteering.
Thank you.
Kuita futi.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Mazita siyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Na sisi Eunice Maruta aiwa atite ndikuona sisi Eunice muri kuitawo futi. Sisi Eunice muri kuita. Thank you. My contestants edu, please get ready. Kumbi or Magaya Shinga Creations. If they are not ready, Tokumbro Beyonce, Tanaka Tokumbro Beyonce. If she's ready, Tokumbro Beyonce. Oh, are you ready? Yes, Cardi B, they are ready, guys. Cousin Nyasha. Cardi B is ready. Cardi B. Electa, Magaya Shinga Creations, they are not supernatural. Yes, Cardi B, are waiting for you. Yes, wow, guys. Tarise kani mapepa ayo ayo aliboneni guys. Even the wow, look at that front, guys. Wow, guys. You Cardi B. Yes. Thank you so much, Cardi B. Thank you. Over to you, Lady Gwagwa.
Nhasi kwakaoma. Vari kunyatsovatevedzera macelebrity. Wow, Nyasha. Vhudzi rako ka kubva wamuita hake Cardi B chaiye. That's so beautiful. Even zvimafani sketi zvake zviya wazvibudisa. That's nice. And anofarira maboob tube things futi. Wow, that's amazing. As usual, beauty goes with brains. Nyasha, where does Cardi B come from? Cardi B anobva kupi? chero kataura country chete.
Anobva is it New York City?
Taura country yacho. New York City iri ku.
And kunyatsoziva country but
okay, because kana ukati New York City kana isiriyo city anobva. Zvezvafuruka.
Is it Manhattan or something like that?
New York City iri munyika ipi nyasha?
Matanga vanhu.
Nyasha ka? Nyasha, New York City iri ku America here, iri ku Canada here, iri ku Mexico.
Iri ku America ikoko kuma America.
That's enough. America is USA, so it's okay. That's okay. Kati piano va ku America. Correct.
Music.
Correct. Wagona. Nyasha. Wagona.
Okay,
correct.
Thank you.
Nati American singers akasunga pano. Ma celebrity American singers.
Yes. Varikubvira. Siyabonga Cardi B, siyabonga. Aiwa nhasi kwai hana kufenda Cardi B. Last time Cardi B akambofenda akavaya. Nhasi Cardi B hana aiwa hana kufenda.
Question yakamufendesa last time.
Aiwa nhasi hana kufenda. Tichimirira kumbi. Soli Mahlangu, where are you? Soli Mahlangu. Comment section, might wanna say outfit ya Cardi B. Let's comment.
Tichipinda mu Jerusalem.
Bayai kumbi tatisi kukuona tuda kuzviona izvo.
Jerusalem.
Wow.
Wakati wa mukane suwareta zvipikiri zvirimo mumusoro ichipinda mu Jerusalem.
Yeah.
Neamsoro. Thank you so much, Soli Mahlangu. Your hair is looking so nice. Even your outfit is so nice. That is paper, guys. Over to you, Lady Gwagwa.
Soli Mahlangu. Urukuvharisa. Because Jerusalem Soli Mahlangu. Ye muchinji kwayo. Akaimba nemanews mumusoro. Waita open and close the door. Ukabva waisa zvipikiri. Ukabva waita paindundurudzwa Jesu paya Soli Mahlangu. Waita open and close the door. Soli Mahlangu ka. Gwendo gunoka. Waita open and close the door. See, since Soli wako uri kumugona uyu, a question for you. Which town does Soli Mahlangu live in? Which town? Anogara mtown ipi Soli Mahlangu?
I know it's something close.
Ndingakurova kumbi. Ndingakurova sure.
Soshanguve. Soshanguve.
Try again. Which town does he live in? He lives in a big town.
City, town.
First answer what chichinyi.
First answer that.
Okay, let's start again. Soli Mahlangu anogara mutauni ipi?
I initially said Kruger's. No, not Kruger's. The answer I had is Pretoria.
No, try again for the last time.
Jesus.
You can do this, Kumbi. You can do this.
I had said social ngufe, so I don't know.
No, last time. Try again.
I don't know.
So, shall I take Pretoria as your final answer?
Yes.
Solimatlang lives in Johannesburg, where you live. Okay, thank you.
Emmanuel.
Thank you, Solimatlang. Pamwa kututira ku Pretoria tizivika pamwe anotori nemba ikoko ataututira manje. Solimatlang, thank you so much. Thank you.
I thought he was gonna get it quick because ndoko anogara kakumbi ku South Africa ku Joburg.
Yes. Solimatlang kwaye vanogara ku Krugas. Solimatlang vanogara ku Krugas aiwa tinombofara tichidaro. Ngativhotei tione kuti Solimatlang uyu ari kuwina papiko. Takamira contestant wedu Magaya Shinga Creations, Lala Sauma, our queen. Aiwa, ngati comment section ndokumbirawo kuti sister Eunice, mama Eunice, ndokumbirawo kuti mundiudzewo mapoints aya amamuchita pamwe chete namuzvinyenyenge. Ndokumbirawo mundiudzewo mapoints aya amamuchita kuti vazowana mangani. Ndokumbirawo mundiudzewo kuti zvazomira sei. Thank you. Ndikuona kuti Gogo Slims muripo na Mama Masawi ndikukuonai murimo, tinokugamuchirai. Nevamwe vose vandisiri kuona hangu nemazita kuti asi tikuona kuti murimo. Tokozani Mulaleya ndikuona kuti murimo, tinogamuchirai. Yes. Magaya Shinga Creations vachipinda. Lala Sauma.
Maita.
Hey, shine!
Hey, look at that dress. Kani. Wow, guys, creativity. Mapepa wire, guys. This is made out of paper. Mapepa, plastic jayo. Kani. Look at here. The queen, your royal highness. My way. I want to be very second. Yes. Wow.
Anasi kwakaoma.
Aiwa, nasi kurukubvira. Aiwa kani. Yes.
That's a tail mushroom.
Ulala Sauma, guys. Ulala Sauma. Aiwa. Aliboneni dress le, guys. Isigqoko leso ukuthi sinjani. Sihle kanjani. Aiwa, kulungiswa ngamaphepha konke lokho endikubonayo. Ngamaphepha wodwa. Wow. Aiwa, ndozvinodiwa zvipatizva tinoona izvi ku-red carpet. Comment section mukuti kudiko nerogwe iro. Yes. Thank you, contestant. Thank you. Over to you, judge.
I am tongue-tied. Ndiri kubuda ziya. Yeah. Mapepa, guys. Supernatural. Chitarisa kuno titaure.
Yes, mapepa.
Tarisa kuno tite question. Get closer. Tite question. Mapepa green ayo mapepa rudziko, that's so immaculate.
My refuse bags. Just refuse bags.
Wow.
These
Anyway.
ones.
Yes. Okay. Wapinda mfashion yema princess. Front, high, back low. Madress ayarum fashion kuma princess. Well done. Then zvima varamavara zvema princess izvo nezvima heti. Well done. Now your question. Since Uri Lala, the Princess Lala Sauma, married to King Mohammed VI of Morocco, can you tell me what is the capital city of Morocco?
The capital city of Morocco is Rabat.
Woo! Well done.
That's why my
Vanhu
palace
vazhinji
is.
vanoti Casablanca. Woo!
No, it's
well
Rabat.
done.
The royal family stays.
Woo! Well done. Bye. Brand
Thank you.
connected to beauty.
Contestants.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Vari kubvunza kuti supernatural ndi Magaya Shinga Creations, guys. That's supernatural. Ndo vanonzi Magaya Shinga Creations. Vari kumira Lala Sauma. Thank you. That beautiful dress. Aiwa kandi naizvoda kadzo zvazichiunyatso kuona. Thank you. Aiwa kandi. Aiwa zvakanaka izvo. Nhasi kwakaibva makwikwi oga makwikwi ega. Takamirira Tanaka Beyonce vachipinda. Okay. Tanaka. Yes, vapinda Beyonce vedu. Vachizvivharisa. She's a winner performer event yedu iya. She also won the event. Saka nhasi vatione kuti vativigire izvozvo.
She is defending the title.
Yes, she's defending the title.
Tiri kumuona here? Hatisi kumuona isu.
We can't see you, Tanaka.
Yeah, we can now see you. Tasingakuoni.
Wow. Hey. Aiwa kuri kubhiriwa sisi. Hey. Aiwa kandi. Guys.
Beyonce the Great.
Aiwa Beyonce. Look at that chick, guys. Mapepa oga agadzira pa, guys. Papers. Mapepa. Beyonce. Chai. Yay.
Hello.
Hello. I am looking so gorgeous, Beyonce. Over to you, Lady Gwagwa.
Oh, what's gonna happen today, you guys? This is on another level. Beyonce kuita kuvhura, wovhura, wosiya zvakashama. Hey. Anyway, regai timbowa kuti mubrain umu zviri kufamba sei. Tanaka, Beyonce. There we go. Tanaka, how old is Beyonce? How old is Beyonce?
She's 34. 38. She's 38.
Perfect. Beyonce is 38. She was born on the 14th of September 1981. It's her birthday in a day, in sometime very soon. Her birthday is like flashing actually. So yeah, she's 38. Correct. Well done. Brains are full there.
Thank
She's
you.
38, our Beyonce.
Thank you, Beyonce. Thank you. Guys, our next contestant, Java is in the house. Ndokumbura kuti mundinyorero futi results aya guys. Ndokumbura mundinyorero andijamba andazomboona. Ndokumbura kuti mundinyorero results aya ndizoverenga after this. Java wenda achipinda, Java wenda achipinda, Java. Java in the house. Wow, guys, look at that. Wow, guys, look at that jacket, Ras Java. Yes. Wow, Java is somewhat my weekend. Wow.
Hey.
Yes. Hey. Kwakaipa. Varikuita open class the doors.
Nasi.
They are looking so good, Java. Thank you. Over to you, Lady Guagua.
S Java. Nasi hatisi chaitika comment section. Murikupa vanhu hard time. Mabva mazouya na queen vachidhansawo queen pasaiti muchidini. Hey, open and close the doors. Hey. Anyway, without wasting much time, ende kunyaya yedu. Iyuka ikonwa ndokurova. What is S Java's full name?
It's Jabulani. Jabulani Mtem.
Jabulani who?
Mtem.
I'll give you half mark. His full name is Jabulani Hadebe. So I'll give you half mark. Because the Jabulani bit, you got it correct. He is called Jabulani Hadebe. Well done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, contestant. Thank you. My results are passed. Ndokumbura kuti muzotaura kana ariwo results anyorwa apa na bright sengweto. Yes, takamira happy family, tell us.
I'm listening. Panenge pane contestant iri ready apo Tasha.
Yeah, I see. Happy family. Yeah, tell us Swift is ready. Tell us Swift is coming in. Wow. Toda kuona bhutsu dzokera kubhutsu dzatione bhutsu mangoti zoom. Toda kuona shangu. Yes, look guys. Wow.
Hey.
Wow. Hey. Wow. Wow. Okay. Takuchiona outfit yese manje. Tell us if. She's looking so gorgeous. She's looking so wonderful. So, wow, look at that bag. Aiwa kadi wedwe. Ona yo bag hiro wedwe. Aliwoneni uTaylor Swift ukuthi umuhle kanjani. uTaylor Swift, guys. uTaylor Swift. Wow. Hey, my earrings, guys. Even the hairdo. Wow. Aiwa, she's looking so good. She's looking so delicious. Aiwa. Wow. Thank you, contestant. Over to you, Lady Gwagwa.
Taylor Swift. Wavhura ukavhara. Just to make you happy, when you were changing comment section, yaita advocate for you. Vakati, for today, you must get a full point over that question. Saka comment section. Unofana mbati thank you. Just say thank you to comment section.
Thank you, comment section, to all Shemarians watching this show.
Yes, because vakumiririra kuti ndikupe point, because we come from different parts of the world and it means differently. Saka takupa full point yako back. Your next question is what nationality is Taylor Swift? Anobva kunyika ipi Taylor Swift? What nationality is
London?
I give you another chance. Ndati country. So kuti dairi London or not UK, country, cannot America, cannot Canada, but it's not London. Think of another country. Kunova Taylor Swift.
Britain.
Yeah?
Britain.
Okay, I give you the last chance. I see Britain. It's a different country. Ndakupa last chance.
United.
Yeah.
America.
Well done. Anobva USA kwa America. Nokuti wakafana kumboresearcha kamunhu wako wasarudza kuti anobva kupi. Well done, it's America. Clap hands for Taylor Swift. Happy family.
Thank you, Taylor Swift. Thank you. Aya baba lomntwana, guys. Aiwa vari kubvira Taylor Swift. Vari kubvira. After Taylor Swift, tinasi Cheryl Lady Gaga. Okay, quickly my results achona. Quite anaka 27, supernatural 25.
Wait, reganyore kuno
3.
Ani?
Tanaka 27, supernatural 25.
Urukumanya Tasha.
Lady Gaga. Wow, guys, look at Lady Gaga. I want to see Paris. Yes. Wow, that's it, guys. Wow. Woo, that's it.
Yes.
I work at. Wow, thank you, Lady Gaga. You are looking so wonderful in your papers. My work. Even the boots, guys. The boots, the shoes, these titles are called. Yo. Hey, it's my work. It's your work. Hey. Yes, Lady Gaga. Yeah. Aiwa. Aiwa kazi vakanaka vakachena umushe uLady Gaga. Thank you contestant wedu Lady Gaga. Over to you.
Haibo. Chai, ola sinyero. Ai. Lady Gaga maita kuvurisisa. Hai chochamazoisa musoroka. Ndo Lady Gaga chaitombomuti medras ka. Ndiyo chaiye. Apa. Vanhu avo ngavataure chokwadi Lady Gaga avarova avapa. Chiregetiwe kuti kubrain uku kwakamira seiko zvino. Imukaikonwa ndokurova. Ndatoibvunza the other way round kuti ive easy. Which ndoti chiko kuti zive. Yeah. Which singer has got these real names besides zita rake rokuimba? Singer ane mazita ake chaiwo anonzi Stefani, Joanna, Angelina, Gemanota. Ndo zita rake chairo. Asi pakuimba nerimwe zita rake anonzani?
Lady Gaga.
Yes! Ndiye Lady Gaga, zita rake chairo. Stefani, Joanna, Angelica, Gemanota. Ndiye Lady Gaga. Yeah, thank you very much. Well done, contestants.
Aiwa magona contestant wedu Lady Gaga vagona. Thank you. Shimira Cardi B, are you ready? Orotise Soli Mashango. Cardi B, are you ready? Orotise Soli Mashango. Okay. Cardi B is in. Okay, Soli Mashango. Oh, okay. Cardi B is in the house. Cardi B is in the house. In the second round, guys. Second round. Wow. Ooh. She never my wekani. Masikana we look at that outfit. Then you wear one skate in your car. It's so for you. Even she got musoro. Hey, zeka. Zeka Cardi B chaizo. Zeka Cardi B chaizo. Aiwa Cardi. Guys, una comment section that for record Thank you. I am looking so beautiful. You are looking so beautiful. Over to you, Lady Gaga.
Guys, murikunyatsoona zvimafrilere izvo. Guys, zviri kuzasi izvo. Pane technique yarohwapo, guys. Look at that.
Yes.
Look at that. Zvimafrinji izvo. Cardi B wazoita kuvhura nokuvhara. Tuone chipepula muchekubheki chiri kuflya icho. Timbotendera tuone maiwe. Tarisai zviri pahuro izvo. Tarisai chiri mumusoro kumecha. Wow. Mavhura nokuvhara enyu. Nhasi pakaoma mena havo comment section. Your last question, Cardi B, for the day. How old is Cardi B?
Cardi B is 27.
Handisi kuzvinzwa.
Cardi B is 27, turning 28 this year.
Correct. Cardi B was born on the 11th of October 1992 and she's 27, running towards 28. Well done, you know your celebrity. Well done.
Thank you.
You're looking amazing.
Thank you. Yes. Aiwa tinotenda. You're looking so good. Takumirira Soli Mashlangu. Last round, guys. Last round. Sakati vote kuti the previous round you are winner ndiani. I'm taking notes, don't worry kuti maround ya matichi.
So Emmanuel,
yes. You suit guys. Yo way. Is that a slim fit? My way. I yes. There's yes.
There's someone.
Kasutu kenyasha, kasutu kenyasha.
Kasutu kenyasha, yes, soli. Koma soli Mashlangu, koma soli.
Hallelujah.
Thank you, Soli Mashlangu. You're looking so good.
Apa ndione une mukombe we Mr. Shema futi. Nasi kwakaipa. Are you ready for your question? Are you ready for your question?
Yes, Mama. Yes.
Okay. This one, ndagara ndakazvinyora kare anyway, so the last question for you, what type of music does Soli Mashlangu sing? Anoimba music inonzi chini?
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Gospel.
Chimbotirovera Jerusalema usiri pa copyright. Chimborova Jerusalema usiri pa copyright.
No contestant when vachazorova Jerusalem after tapedza. Hatimirei second contestant vachazotrova
Jerusalem. Bye. Kana tapedza uchazorova Jerusalem.
Yes.
Thank you, Tasha.
Thank you, contestant Wedi Soli Mashlangu. And then Lala Sauma is our second contestant. Wedi Lala Sauma. Ndwari kutevera. Olandelayo ngulala Sauma, guys. Ukumbi asiwane nukuti uSoli Mashlangu lapho. Comment section and tell uSoli Mashlangu.
Supernatural Amon next.
Okay. So Tanaka. Beyonce, wait. Beyonce. Okay, Taylor Swift, Happy Family. Taylor Swift, achipindira. Taylor Swift, are you there? Happy Family. Happy Family, are you there? Taylor Swift, I wouldn't have taken. Yeah, Lincoln. This is our next contestant. Yes, Java. Java. Wow. Look at Java, guys. Look at Java. He's looking so good. Java is looking so good. Java is looking so nice. My paper guy. That outfit is made of paper. Iyenziwe ngamaphepha. Usjava ubukeka emuhle. Siyabonga contestants. Yes, Java. Over to you, Lady Gaga.
That is beautiful. This time wanga une amabhera yako ku front uko. That was nice. That was nice. Your question, your last question for the day, is Java. Ndambokuudza answer unofana kuigona ndambokuudza before. Which famous movie did S Java been soundtracked? S Java aka soundtrackwa mu which movie? It is very popular.
Black Panther.
Correct.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you.
2018 Black Panther. Akavhura nokuvhara achita soundtrack ye Black Panther.
Yes.
Well done.
Thank you.
Well done contestants. Java wedu aiwa ubumuhle kanti i-outfit leyo inhle kakhulu. Java siyabonga. Aiwa kanti guys ngatitaurei kuti vawina paraundi iyaiya ndevapi. Kwai vanhu taurai mavhotsi enyu like kuti number 1 ndiani, number 2 ndiani, mavhotsi agokombailiwa handika. So our next contestant vachigadzirira. Handizivi kuti magaya echinga creations naTanaka vari ready here neHappy Family. Oh, Happy Family is in the house. Taylor Swift is in the house. Taylor Swift is in the house, guys. Taylor Swift is in the house.
Wow. Woo. Wow.
Taylor Swift is in the house. Guys. Wow. Look at Taylor Swift. That dress. We can. Even Butu, the shoes. She's looking so good. She's looking so nice. Creativity. Wow, look at Taylor Swift. Red carpet, guys. Red carpet. She's looking so nice. Is that a belt? Wow. Taylor Swift vakachena Taylor Swift. Wow, she's looking so good. Taylor Swift never disappoints. Vanozvigona. Taylor Swift lo, guys. Umuhle isigqoko leso sihle. Siyabonga Taylor Swift. Over to you, Lady Gaga.
Today is another day. This is on another level. You know, when we say red carpet, that dress should actually sweep on the red carpet. And that is exactly what that dress was doing. Congratulations, Taylor Swift, for your sweeping red carpet dress. Your last question is How old is Taylor Swift? Taylor Swift ane makore mangani?
30.
Correct. Well done.
Thank you, Taylor Swift. Thank you, Taylor Swift. Thank you, Taylor Swift. Thank you. Aiwa, manga makachena. Aiwa, makachena. Yo, we red carpet, guys. Aiwa, makachena. Let's see, Kuti, our next contestant. I don't know if Lala Salma and Beyonce are ready. Yes, we have Beyonce in the house. Beyonce. Beyonce, are you ready? Wow. Look at Beyonce, guys. Look at Beyonce. Wow. She's looking so good. Look at that dress. Wow. She's looking so good. Red dress. Aiwa, Beyonce ari kubvira, guys. Beyonce ari kubvira. Ngatitaure nezveoutfit yaBeyonce. Beyonce wedu uyo. Aiwa kani. Yes.
Hi.
Beyonce. Thank you, Beyonce.
Yeah.
You're looking so good. That dress is so hot. Thank you. Over to you, Lady Gwagwa.
Ooh, Beyonce, you're killing us. You're on fire. Uri kubvira,
Don't die, please.
This girl is on kumoto. This girl ari kuputa. Yeah. Your question. It's a bit. Wakaverenga about Beyonce handiti unonyatsomuziva unomufarira.
Yes.
Saka kana uchinyatsomuziva uchimufarira unoigona. It's a bit tricky though, but it's okay. Your question number 3. Beyonce has got 4 children. Beyonce ane vana 4. But
Yes.
pavana vake 4 pane vana 2 vari different or special. Handizi kuti ndovati chinyi. Mazita avo anonzi Rumi na Set. Chii chavari different from the other 2?
Vana ava vari different.
Listen again, kuda ungatera. Beyonce ane vana 4.
Yeah. Yes.
But vamwe vaviri ava vari chinyi?
Oh, tricky question.
Ndosaka ndamuudza kuti yeah, try.
The special ones ndo vana vake.
Not in that line.
My special ones are the twins, isn't it?
Yes. Kungoita ma-twins vanotori different. Ma-twins, yes. Yeah. That's correct. Because the Ningirikiri Rumi na Set Kata ma-twins. Yeah, wagona. Well done. Well
Thank
done.
you.
Correct.
Thank you,
And
thank
that
you,
was so
thank you.
tricky, wagona. Well done.
Thank you, contestant. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ayo Magona. And dress renyuranga rakanaka. Mapepa, you guys. No fabric. Hapana kana fabric. Supernatural. Magaya Shinga Creations. Lala Sauma. Do warkupinda izvozi. Lala Sauma. Aywakan. Yeah, Royal Highness. Yes, the queen in the house. My way. You can. Look at that dress, guys. Dress hero. Wow. Kuzasuko, guys. Aywakan. Aywakanaka kan. My way rakanaka dress hero. Aywakan. Wapita open and close the door. Yes. Even that headpiece. Wow. Wow. Ayo, makachena. Comment section. Yes. Comment section. Let's comment on that dress. Yes. Ayo, varikubvira. She's on fire. Yes. Comment section. Murikuzoona sei comment section. Yes, thank you, contestants. Thank you. You're looking so beautiful. You're looking so good, makachena. Over to you, Lady Gwagwa.
Oh. Yeah. Kwakaipa nhasi. Supernatural. Bottom beat dress yako hiyo keyo. Hey. Speechless. Taita vapwere. Wa. Aiwa. Mapepa ashandwa apa. Chirega tikupe mubvunzo wako. Yeah. Sir Princess Lala Salma married to the king of Morocco. Ungatiudzawo here kuti country yenyu yamuno king and queen iri which part of Africa?
It's Southern Africa.
Imi nyatsofunga imepu yeAfrica. Southern Africa kune South Africa. Nyatsofungisisa queen.
The country we are in, Morocco. Morocco is on the north.
Is that your final answer?
Pardon?
That's okay. Correct. Morocco.
Northern Africa.
Iriku Northern Africa.
Morocco.
That's correct.
Yes.
It's a neighbor to Algeria. North Africa.
Thank you.
Correct. Magona princess. Munoziva nyika yenyu. Ndosaka muchishandidzwa pedo neMediterranean. Beautiful. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. Tichiva apa trikupinda pana Lady Gaga. Ndo varikupinda Lady Gaga vedi ndo varikupinda. Lady Gaga, are you ready? Lady Gaga? Okay. A basket of flowers. Is that it? Yay, 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 yay. Ayo ndibona kanjani outfit le guys eka Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga never disappoints guys. Look at that. Wow. Aiwa zvaruke achibvira Lady Gaga. Yes, 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 yes. Ow. Look at that guys, made out of paper. That's paper guys, that's paper. Lady Gaga. Our comment section alisitshele ukuthi unjani uLady Gaga, umuhle umuhle umuhle. Ayiwa. Muhle uLady Gaga, muhle 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 uLady Gaga. Alisitshele ukuthi injani. Let's try to know guys, she never disappoints. From head to toe, from head to toe. Ayiwa kani vakazvichenera vakazvinakira Lady Gaga vedu. Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lady Gaga. Over to you, Lady Gaga.
Ha! Nasi kwakaoma Tasha. Icho chakaberekwa naLady Gaga icho. Chakamechana nechiri mumusoro. Ndo maitiro aLady Gaga chaiwo iwayo. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Ino Lady Gaga akazoda anobva abvisa zvimwe kuzoita zvimwe zvichisara zvidini. Hey! Nhasi pakaipa. Kuita kuvhura nokuvhara. Nhasi taita vapwere. Ndaita apwere nhasi. Mubvunzo wenyu Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga. Uyu mukaukoniwawo Lady Gaga. Not this is the common question. How old is Lady Gaga? How old is Lady Gaga?
34.
Correct, she's 34 years old.
Thank you so much. Lady Gaga, thank you so much. Thank you. Lady Gaga, I have a question for you, Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga, I have a question for you.
Chimbotererai kuna MC. Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga.
Lady
Come
Gaga.
back to a question for you from the MC.
Lady Gaga.
Yes.
Lady Gaga, I would like to ask, which round is this one? Is it the last round or the second round?
The last.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Our comment section is not tender. Comment section. Tochikumbira kuti muchitivhoterawo zve kuti overall takuda overall manje kuti overall yedu number 1 ndiani zvichidaro vose ndoona senge vose vaita manumber 1 ini vose vaita manumber 1 because effort yachosoka. Aiwa kani, those outfits were so beautiful, they were so nice, they were so beautiful. Aiwa vanga akanaka, vanga vakazvichenera zvavo. Tinoda kukutendai comment section, toda kukutendai nekutibatsira kwamamuchita. Lady Gaga toda kukutendai nekuvajaji wedu toda kukutendai. So as Lady Gaga compiles ma points avo vachitipa zvibodzwa zvachona, comment section hatimbotambai zvedu. Siyalibonga kakhulu ngokuphathisana lathi kuhlelo lwanamhlanje. Siyabonga. So simelele ama results from Lady Gaga.
I am relying on the comment section results. Then I neutralize with the answers. So can you tell me with the comment section iri kuti chini, who is number 1, who is number 2?
Okay. Comment section. Manzwa request from Lady Bagwa.
That's why I appoint those recorders at the beginning.
Yes, my contestants and yes, I want to vote can make contestant. Atitambe.
Tiri kugadzira mamatsi Katasha. Are they compiling in the comment section? Tasha, do you want to go on a comment section?
Soli masang.
1.
Isai music, mutambe takamirira muchingodzungudza. Tasha.
Okay, guys. Takuda ma marks aya. Takuda ma overall marks. Muzvimwe titi udzai ma marks aya. Okay,
Oh, yes.
Please rave music, Vanashema. People are waking out. Please. Tasha. Yeah. How far, Tasha?
Hello, guys. Hello.
Okay.
Hey, ndati kwanzi supernatural one.
Okay. Wangafana ubva nekuzasi. It's okay. Number two.
Tanaka
Hello. Shema, she's
no, I'm giving you a there, and then he must work at this mega coke.
Aiwa, Tasha, ndikuti mama yakera, mama unganza sema rizauti.
Taita round by round. Vanhu vanga vachivhota. Tanga tine vanhu 4 vanga vachiverenga mavhoti mucomment section.
Ani nani?
Tasha, taura mazita evanhu vaya. Sisi Eunice. Nola nani?
Mendi ndizame kusalinki vanhu vapinda papa.
Iko zvipira ma overall results lady kwagwa saka ndoandu.
Tatipuwa nevanhu saka ausati wapedza kuitira ndigoedha angu ndigozoita overall. Number 3 hauna undipa.
Kumbi
kwanzi number ndichaedha neangu ema answers.
Oh.
Number 3 ndiani Tasha? You didn't tell me.
Oh.
Unfortunately, andina second phone kuti ndione mama. Hapana wanogona kupina here Aisa.
Uya kuverenga mu comment section. Guys, toda one representative from comment. Auye apa atsigire. Let's say one from comment section.
Yes.
Munungaba from comment. Oh my God, yes. Chacha.
Yes.
Is there 1% phone yangu for 1% guys. Nasina kuzviona. Mai kani manyisa 1%. Jesus. My wee. 1% here. Kasira kusa we adapt. 1% here guys. But now she not going to have 1%. Kasira. Ungarudzima manje. Please. Yeah, taura ije. Hello?
Pina kama ningacho.
Okay, takuda munhu from comment section kuti atipe.
Ndati one from comment section.
Supernatural, marukuti Tanaka. Seems like Yes.
Tise munhu from comment section. Phone yangu ine 1%. Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Mukutinzwa here?
Kunzwa Shero. Yes, kunzwa. Yes.
Pina yenyu, pina macomments acho tione.
Sasa phone yangu bozi yangu ndofunga yangu ine 1% chaiyo. Atione kupinda. Who is D? Ndotanga ndaona face yakanzi D tione kuti ndiani. Sasa isa ghost guys. Muna kanzi D, can I see your face? Neti mbosa makushasa yanyasha tione. Benson Masawi. D asikuzwa kuti ndiani. Kuti Benson?
Ndepi? Hello.
Say.
Murmuni
taura tinzwe.
Pina iti.
Ndauya kuti ndita sei ndingokubatsirai kuti tibvise confusion ka. As it is pamafigures atati chiona isusu, it seems like supernatural number 1. Then mwana wangu Tanaka anasandirasisa adyiwa ndiye number 2. But then I would suggest kuti mupe mwana happy family number 1 on the merit yekuti mwana mudiki akwanisa kuita competition nevanhu vakuru kwaari, so that we can motivate her. Tapedza kudaro, let's not forget kuti this was a mock thing. We were here to enjoy saka. Tikada kuti tinyanye kutsvaga manumbers kuti akamira sei tinenge taakurasika, but as it is supernatural ndo vaita number 1. The rest tongoti tese taita number 1. Ndo maonero angu inini. Sorry, ndangoti ndikokubatsira ipapa.
Okay. Ndinogona kutaurawo sajaji.
Yes.
Tikapa number 1 kumunhu aita number 1, that will be fine. Then the most aspiring candidate ndoyotopa ku happy family. Most aspiring candidate is another title. Kana vanhu vatenderana nazvo mucomment section, because tika override munhu aita effort yokusona zvinhu. But uyu hatimurasi, suggestion yenyu yakanaka. Most candidate yaita go and beyond because of age, because of first time being on social media. Anongopuwa award yake as well. Pakadina apo vamasawi.
Ndizo zvechaizvo, it's very good kusaka.
Teta kuti outstanding performer. Chero asina kuita number 1. Outstanding performer.
Yes, kusaka basing on that one now, what we are saying is supernatural vaenda nechimuti, kana inini handashamiswa nazvo, vaenda nechimuti handiziva kuti vanga vachizviwana kupi, vakapinda busy, kusaka ndo vaenda nechimuti. Then the rest of the guys tinovati vese vaita number 2 on the merit effort yavaita vese. It's not an easy thing zvavachiita, saka I don't know mumwe wanogona kupindawo kana sister units vongotibatsira because ndo maonero angu inini.
Thank you very much for your contribution. Well taken.
Handiti kashero ndiro inodze zvako. Shero.
Phone yangu iri kuita sorry ndiri kuita ndichikunzwai ndiri kumashure because phone yangu ine 5% chaiyo. Thank you. All right.
Kwanzi, that's right, Lady Gwagwa and Baba Masawi. Kuti vedwe because ini as a judge panemwe round unoperegwa kutaura chokwadi patapinda mu3rd round kana tichinonga macharacters emasingers vanhu vanoziva Lady Gaga can go Gaga anoita zvinhu zviri haywire, not kuti zvaitwa naShema chinhu chaapeka kumasure chiya. Lady Gaga can do that, but ukazofunga dress riya raitwa nainonzani uyu wedu uyu Supernatural zvaraitwa kuzasi, ukafunga zvazoitwa naBaby Happy Family achitsvaira pacarpet, honestly everybody Tanaka, ukafunga Nyasha, the boys, everybody is a winner, but always panozongwana nopuwa trophy. Everybody has been a winner. So can I officially announce the result? Is everybody happy for me to officially announce the results?
Yes.
My Shemarians, comment section. Mabata guru, my contestants. Hey, Princess, Lala, Salma, S. Java.
Yes.
Solimasang, Lady Gaga, Taylor Swift, Cardi B, Beyonce. All the 3 items were on point and perfect. But at the end of the day, Pazwa Rega, Tinoana winner. It's my honor and pleasure on behalf of Shema TV to announce the winner of the day, which is Supernatural Magaya Shinga Creation. Misre, unmute Supernatural, and also to announce our outstanding performer, Happy Family, Taylor Swift, and our loving contestant on number 2. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I really appreciate all the Shemarians. Thank you very much.
Supernatural, tanga wambotamba, wozopa speech. Unombotamba wozopa speech.
Okay.
Music, music.
The music.
Music, please.
Music, no music here.
Oh, yeah.
I can't hear the music.
Morocco.
Yes.
Supernatural, thank you. Chipa, your winning speech. Supernatural, we are now waiting for your winning speech. Make it short and to the point.
Thank you very much to all the Shemarians. I really appreciate the thank you for your support. Comment section, Lady Gwagwa, Shema, and all the contestants. Thank you very much. I wasn't going to make it, but because of you all, I'm here today. Thank you for making my brand higher and higher. Thank you very much. I really support that. I really appreciate. I'm running short of words. I wanna to expire the young ones everywhere in the world. Thank you very much for this show. And I know that there are more upcoming designers up there. Next time, I'm sure the show will be very, very big, and then it's gonna accommodate everyone, from the young ones to the eldest ones. I really appreciate you, Shema, Lady Gwagwa, MC, and all the contestants. And I really love you, the comment section. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Hope for the next winner to be going in another country, not in Morocco. Thank you. I really appreciate.
Thank you so much. It's my honor and privilege to give our outstanding performer, Happy Family, a minute to say something about her experience today. Outstanding performer, Happy Family. Unmute yourself and say something.
With the count.
Thank you very much, Shemarians, for voting for me. It was a hard struggle, you know. It took us like about 1 week to prepare all these outfits. We thank you all the people who put points for us, and I hope I hope those who did not win will win next time. Lots of love. I'm done.
Okay, Tasha, I hand over to you. Where is Tasha? Yes. Tasha. Where is Tasha? Shema. Hello, Shema. Tasha has dropped. So I now leave this time to you as our major host. Oh, she's back. Tasha, over to you. Tasha, over to you. Tasha, over to you, so that you hand over to our host, Shema. Over to you, Tasha. Tasha, MC. Okay. Nofunga MC aka freeze. I'm not sure. Shema. Tasha, I hand over to you. Kutuchi pedzisa kuweza kuna Shema. I hand over to you, Tasha, MC.
Ndokumbro link in comment section share phone ya pera moto saka ya kufreeze. Yes, ndokumbro link.
Tanaka computer, Tanaka dismute paudia. Snake. Tanaka dismute mic. Snacker. Tanaka. yachibhomira Tanaka ukamute.
Tanaka, unmute. Yes, she's unmuted now.
Okay. Tanaka, okay. So I need to so she results and the section where some results are let me talk about results are some results are. For me, in down security when we say but at the end of the day, I want to outfit and link on design supernatural. It's her first time outfit as well. But in India, the third one, Tanaka but the two I spun at Tanaka, and that one as well. The I supernatural, they were both beautiful. So for me, I think for number one, I would rather say Tanaka and sister supernatural. That's what I would say for me. So comment section, but in India, I would say for number one, Paita Matai. That's what I would say. And this Papo, whoa, it's not so quick. Yeah, so but now I think volume. Let it go.
Hello, Murikundinga.
That is, and that was about the family winner.
Okay, happy family. Hana kuwina kudesigner. A winner inonzi most efforted outstanding performance because of her age.
Okay. What I hit the bad.
Okay, number one yanga yaitwa supernatural. Number two ne comment section. Tanaka. Vese vagona answer it is like very final. It can be okay,
no problem. I see problem. So what I would do is I'm personally that is only in Kashmir and not one papa one do because I want to be able to in Tanaka. That outfit was out of this world. That's the truth. The second outfit I want to that one I see what I think this that's the same thing na supernatural the second one again it was really nice. The third one it was really nice as well. Comparisons. Number one. T-shirt. I don't know what t-shirt how, but then I think supernatural. Supernatural knows many mutate. Supernatural mama t-shirt. Yes, Supernatural. Supernatural. Hello, supernatural.
Hello.
hello. No.
You are give you a t-shirt.
Andina.
Yes, Shema. We'll talk about because I talk by one t-shirt here. Yes, Shema. Did
Thank you.
so what t-shirt
I said, "Shall we entertain enough?"
Oh, so Tanaka. So department smile Tony.
Let's smile and go on.
Yeah, so let's see good take. But I don't know if it's the name of my change because one more my classes face to face classes. Face to face classes. So I will stay in future to tell mama gata say was no for tindike chikaita zvinhu tombosiya zvakahenga todero tosiyana kidza handiti sazobhomwe. Saka maybe this was our last show yatatiita sei tichitsvaka mamwe maprograms akasiyana-siyana. But for the meantime sinasinopa sister supernatural t-shirt yagara yese ine ma-t-shirt apana chimwe ine ma-t-shirt from baba namama kusvika kune then itanaka t-shirt yakuuya
Yes.
handiti tanaka
T-shirt. Yes.
Right. So tatibona Budimato vapinda panapa. Budimato vari kupinda ndatinzwe Budimato vari kudepartment kwemati yes. Budimato zviri sei? Budimato zviri sei? Tiri kupa t-shirt one guys. Tiri kupa t-shirt one. Budimato mukunzwa here? Budimato vakafuriza manje. Alright. What I'm trying to do is thank you guys nekuuya nhaka. Thank you Kubi. Let's see kutotanga kusana. Lincoln, anything to say?
I've got nothing much to say, but the show was awesome. I just want to thank. I just want to thank everyone who. I just want to thank everyone who participated, their efforts and everything. Yeah, it was on point, and I really enjoyed like seeing something like Van Wangaripo. They thought outside the box. They went all out, which is very, very, very good. I just want to thank every Shemarian for their commitment they put towards this channel, and I think with this unit will go very far, would grow.
Yes. Thank you very much, Lincoln.
No problem.
All right. Good night. Okay. So the next one, Tasha Nikuzoroze, our MC for today. Thank you, Tasha. Without Chief.
I want to say thank you to my Shemarians, thank you to the contestants. Taona ma outfits akasiyana siyana, ma jumpsuits, ma dress akanaka, ma suits, zvakasiyana siyana zvakawanda zviri so creative. Thank you for your time. You know that my effort in those outfits, not tender. I really had a nice time. I enjoyed myself. No tender. Comment section dabonga. Nekutibatsira kwamaita this event. Thank you so much. Thank you, Cheryl. Get well soon.
Thanks. The next one, thanks Tasha Kuya nekubata basa kula kadairi. Nasima mpakaipaga.
Nasima batibira.
The next one, Segandise Kumbaudo, Kubi. Kubi,
Thank you so much, Shemarians. Thank you. Lincoln, thank you. It was just fire.
Kumbe asikunzwika.
Hear me now.
Wetera mawat.
How about now?
Yeah, better.
Hello?
Hey,
Okay, so I just started by thanking everyone who came through. And then I just wanted to emphasize that after everything is done, it's all for fun. So while we can, it's just more. I hope no one but I'm just happy with the amount of effort is putting on West. It was just amazing. So thank you so much.
Unozotaura mangwana usikutokutika ndinoda kuti chikuitika Kumbi, good night. Unotaura mangwana ndosari gandise Lady Gwagwa. Chitaure Lady Gwagwa.
Ana Lady Gwagwa kuita kakunoizi like.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you very much. Nokundipa mukana wokuita judge, but daita judge on a very tough day when the competition was very stiff. Asi ndoda kutenda comment section ende ndoda kukutenda futi Shema TV. Ndoda kutendawo vaMasawi vawisawo nyaya ya Happy Family. Zvose zvakangonaka. Hapana sajaji chandiri kupokana nacho. Zvose zvakanaka because tinongori mhuri. Tinenge tingoda kuti zvose zviendeke. Ndanakigwa. Mibvunzo yangu. Ndahwa kufara nayo zvikuru. So kana yanga ichigozha ndino urombo ma-contestants. Ndino urombo kana yanga ichigozha asi yanga ichinakidza.
Manga makachena singamboni.
And imwe yanga iri challenging.
But you were looking sharp.
Yazodonhaka yangu hembe iyi. Ndataura musati mauya kugadzira kwandaita heti yangu. So I love you all my Shemarians comment section, my contestants vasikanaka I fashion kututi zvakasonwa namapepa zvinizvi. Honestly I was tongue tied. Se jumpsuit yako Beyonce ya jumpsuit. Then dress ra supernatural rokupedzisira iri. Kututi mapepa vedu we. Then icho cha Lady Gaga chachiti gedede. Everything was amazing. Vedwe utarise nyasha. Utarise vedwe vanhu mese tell the truth. Pana kuti ani varume they were good. We had a lovely day, lovely evening. Get well soon, Sharo. God bless everybody. Bye.
All right, thank you. Good night, Lady Gaga. Thank you for coming tonight. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
All right. Night.
Thank you.
Okay, next, Kumbi, are you ready?
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Loud and
Yes,
clear.
awusisiri mugomba man.
Okay, Dashdot Maitabasa, thank you everyone for the effort. It was just amazing from that's right. I mean, today we had not just quality, we also had numbers. So thank you so much for coming through. And after all has been said and done, Tribuna kids were Tribufara. So I hope no one takes anything out of context. We are just one happy family. So thank you so much for the support, for the words of encouragement, and I always want to thank comment section for whatever they do, especially motivator. Vanenge vachita zvavanenge vachita. So thank you so much, Cheryl. Thank you everyone, and good night.
Good night, thank you, compounder. Okay. Next is happy family. Oh no, don't remove a mistake. Sorry. Mendi kudzosera, sorry. Yoda kubvisa pamute. Happy family, unmute device renyu. Happy family, unmute your device, please. Happy family, unmute, yes.
Hello.
Yes, call me happy family.
Hello.
Katiza. Ndombi munomenda ndadza.
Munhu uya aripo uyu Maxine uya. Karipo kamusikana tiri kufara nhasi nyangwe mamuchirovana nako kamwana kedu karimo. Uyu Maxine uyu. Hello.
Hey Maxine, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Wanga next gonna show here.
Eh.
Really? Wafara.
And afar.
Ko yeti yangu ili sei na Maxine.
Yakanaka fabulous.
Oh, Maxine uri great dan.
5.
Really? Oh, great seven like tadiwa ka. But uza tadiwa pa double tola la tadiwa.
Tadiwa kudiwa. Takawanda nhasi Shero tine ma-visitors angauya kuzoona show. Abva ku next week. Uremira kuti hai. Hai zvishema.
Zikutaiwa mirai. Family mirai nditanga ndapedza neava vachimbo mirai ndikupozei nditanga ndapedza neavo mopedzesera nditi happy family mirai ndozopedzera nemi mirai
It's okay.
Supernatural last words. Supernatural. Yes.
Hello.
Hey, Supernatural.
Yeah, no, I really appreciate.
No,
the show was just awesome.
Yeah,
I can't hear you. Yeah, a crew breaker.
Oh, Supernatural. Well, I just told him but thank you for coming. Total access in t-shirt here.
All right. Thank you very much, and all the contestants. Tinotenda and effort Yamaisa. It was nice. Comment section. We love you, MC, our judge, and the owner, the pioneer of Shema TV, Cheryl. Love you too much. Tinotenda tavarairwa and tadzidza zvakawanda. So we hope for the best next time as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Totaura mangwana.
All right, no problem.
Yes, Sharon, that's not telling you.
Could you just say?
Nyokuti nasiri kuda.
This hate.
I know. I finogara ku comment section nazo support I need.
No, don't do. I like izinto. I like izinto, my friends. Why can I not izinto things?
I will pay zero share wanga unyotsera mina.
But wewe shada kututudzo. Pawaita outfit ya white. Wanda kuti tikese izeshuwe wewe.
Chana. You know, aiwa sherona zvakaitika ndezve kudai so ndakangogadzirawo maatire hanti. But this time ndandisiri kugadzira madress boards ndakati madress madesign makamaona though ndandine mamwe andatogadzira zokupfeka. Then because munhu andazochuza manje naifanira kungoita sei kuchedzera zvaanoita like the way she dressed at the same time ndanchitaya kurespectawo channel yedu saka zvanga zvakaita kutsiga like but zviri close almost to. So comment section akutara nemimese vaipanapa
Tanaka saladi. Tanaka daona munhu wakwana kusapota. Tanaka ndazomubata munhu wakwana kusapota. Munhu akaisa ringi ndasamubata. Kutaura ndamubata. Ende agona akachimira comment section.
ndazvikira because wambomusiya.
No, this person is this time ndazomubata. I see you. Pananzi kutenga ma t-shirt anobati, yes, I'm buying a t-shirt. I'm fana kutenga uchwari t-shirt yewe. Akambopledge. Jesus, kwasaka isusu yeye akakekekera yekuti sei. Zvamufamba sei.
Kati mukuda kutipa 3 ma t-shirts. One for my sister, the other one was for my thinking, my husband, and one for me. So iwe wakatenga yangu auntie. Then iye abazo decide kutenga ya leo like angari husband yangu. So ya sister wangu nasanda waudza zvakuzvo. Nasanda waudza kuti kuti t-shirt iri kuuya but anyway it's okay. Because ndakambomirira kuti chonizvo iyo ikaningirikina then oba azongouya ese.
Aiwa anowedzera because anokusapota singamboiti ngaawedzere echi2. Isusu takakupa 1 kainotenga 2.
Iri kuuya.
2 akati 2.
yangu chete. Comment section manga muripo tikuda t-shirt yedu.
Uyu kataka kukambena uyu.
Hey, Mr. Campaigner.
Mr. Campaigner, we want 2 t-shirts. Nasita naka win another t-shirt. Saka Mr. Campaigner ichitenge imwe t-shirt yechi2.
Alright. Saka nane 3 ma t-shirts angakwana anti.
Yes. Yeah, I didn't start my number 1 aita 2 here. Iwo nani na sister uyu. Saka iyo iyi yechi2 dokutokambina kuti ava vanhu vanonyanya kuchita nakamsaka dova.
Nomboinzwa ichi announce. Ndasina kufarira number 1 yangu because ndasina kuinzwa ichitaura.
Ndagore iti me Sharon Shipo Manjela Shema TV I announce you as a tie winner, you and the sister national number 1 number 2. Mesema wina ma t-shirts ali yo yako ne.
Thank you.
Nazim Sungura music. Sawa kwako kana kusina zichawana aiwa kwe unogara uri munomba muchango China vasikana muchango China.
Thank you so much comment section, but comment section next time sezva manga maita pakutanga kuti changa tiri kuti inonzi ataya imwe neimwe ngaitange yapiwa number yayo hanti kuti number 1 pane ataya yakati number 2 then the overall yapa the overall tanzwisisa but maningirikins enyu, let us be fair, because pane boys redu ranga riri pana and arina masa ao ana kumbonyatsotaurika like zviri serious. Saka kana takujaja next time comment section, let us be fair. Vanhu vese vanenge vangoripo ngavangotaurwawo. Kana uchingoda I think the best thing is kuti ukaisa number 1 wako, woisa number 2, woisa number 3 nemazita avo vese nekuwanda kwavo, so that chinodzoka. But Tanaka for the close and doors and shut them again. Achadzoke.
Yes. But ndafarira attire yakaita ngekira. But mese mungataura zvenyu inonzi chiyengeka chikona ningoni yekufamba muchiita red carpet yakumbika kana newe Tanaka yako kanaka but yaningoni yenge iri pamberi. Handiti?
Vana Lincoln vari maningirikini. Guys, mind you, vana Lincoln vachiwinira panyaya yeningirikini yekuti ndo varidzire zvinhu ende ndo vanozvigadzira. Biatska lapi namba vakanombokanganwa, guys. No, this is not me, guys. It was just for the show. The Tanaka salad is back, you know.
Yes. Anyway,
Okay,
thanks, Tanaka.
All right, you go.
Yes, my outfit.
Oh no, mina ndikuzei about my outfits esandafarira the best yagene mastros yagene mastros yandafarira yanyasha. She looked really cute.
Nyasha akagona kugadzira, guys. Let us be fair. Nyasha akagona. Comment section. Takuziya next time kasini vanhu vese.
Uda kuti kone nenhema. Ini ni Nyasha agona 1 yandafarira uye mastros. Otherwise it's marketing.
Shero. Let me be fair kuna na mamoyo, please. Ndinoswa dzingwa kumusha.
Taurako.
Thank you, bye-bye. Takudona.
Bye. Good night, Tanaka. All right, happy family, unmute. Happy family,
Hello.
Yes.
What did you say?
Hey, she done some watch on watch taura baby.
Kule atobuda enda umba kwavo pa number 3 ubva panapa saka ati anda kuenda mangwana ndozorambidzwa ndikati ndiuye.
Oh, as time zaenda.
10 to 9.
Oh, zatiende zvokwadi ko uyo ari padiwi grade 5.
Maxine achamuperekedza pa next up.
Oh, Maxine, hairi bhoko wakashimodhera ari kupi?
Anonzi Maxine.
Yarapa. Ingo, you looked very different. You looked very different. Yes, akakachira. Saka sikana uya akapfeka akapfeka green dress.
Aiwa mwana akaka rari paper bag rekwa TM ne black paper. Nasta zofara. Nasta Yafara takuisira mwana kedu kakakurova imese, close the door, shut the open the foot.
Takunoidzokodza futi ndega. Apa ndafarira rimwe dress rakaranga rine chinhu chakachitera cheblack. Takunoridzokorodza zvangu video yacho tasikazonyatsoonaka but anga kapenga.
Ukunyasha ndiyanga chibatira kamera kuti munyatsoona kuti aiwa plastic rakadesign kuma end kwaro kwese kuti
no comments. No comment. I don't have any comment.
nhasi kudya masikati vachitibatsira kugadzira madress
Bati magoda zvakanaka manatogadzira.
vachitibatsira kuti zvichinyatsoa
Yes,
perfect.
magoda guys. That was really nice.
Chokwadi because ife
Yes,
time.
perfect. Nangoni aiwa ma-t-shirt takapa family yese makahwina ka. Saka nhasi hakunayo ku-t-shirt.
Anofeva no jealous ma-t-shirts bo. Tinotenda baba Masawi. Tativanzwa takateerera. Thank you all the Shemarians. Thank you vanotifarira. Thank you vakatimaka. Mese tokudai. I know hapana
basa vanenge vakakuvengai don't worry. Happy family zvowanika izvozvo iro idepartment iro rotowanika and they expect it but kana svika kuZimbabwe happy family tofanira kuzomboonana.
Tochoda takatokumirira kana kuno kumba kwedu totokuda.
Aibo saka ndakuinda ini.
Alright, tiri boshero. Thank you. Arega tichiona kugadzira kurara nguva dzaenda.
Ko makazogadzirisa here masinha aya makazonopuwa correct size?
Havana kubuda nezuro Saturday but mangwana Monday ndofunga kuti vanoenda.
No problem. Iri bo. Good night. Thank you.
Vanenge mangwana kutona.
Alright, ko uyu ndiye ndakatsamwa nhasi uyu.
Ndimati.
Ndamuona. Uyu mudiki uyu. Nyasha ndamuona nhasi. Mati zviri sei?
Iri bo.
Wakatsamwa iko waneta?
Ewa.
Wadya here? Iri bo. Good night. Bye bye.
Night, bye, Shadow.
Good night, everyone. That's my netaka. But what about you know what's a kugadzirira? Right. Guys, ini ndakuvata guys. Good night, guys. Whoa. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.